Hey guys, Mark Gladue, broker associate with Lauer Realty Group and Gladuestoppedby.com. Had this thought, and it was about teams. So I know that we all root for teams and get behind these teams, whether it be the Green Bay Packers or the Milwaukee Brewers or Milwaukee Bucks, the Wisconsin Badgers. We all have that sense of pride in our team. And then I started thinking about a team of doctors. So you have a team of doctors that you trust and that you know will take care of your body and get you through whatever it might be. So as a real estate professional, we have been working on building this team over the last 15 years. And by working with hundreds of professionals and talking to people and getting their feedback, we've come up with an excellent team to help you through any real estate transaction, whether it be a mortgage lender or an inspector who inspects the home or a title person taking care of your title. Whoever it might be, now we have that team, and it's been whittled down so that you only have a group of probably 5 or 6 individuals that you talk to, whether it be through Colin or myself. We're there to facilitate this team. Then after the transaction or before you get your home ready to sell, we have plenty of contractors who are more than willing to help because we've worked with them so much and they know that our clients are awesome people. So if you need this team, if you need us to help in 2020, we're here, we're behind you, and we're ready to support. As always, glad you stopped by.